Today we're gonna make this winter blood orange kale salad. Delicious. They always say kale is a superfood, so this recipe is great. It's a winter kale blood orange salad. So we have 4 cups of chopped kale here. So what I did is I rinsed the kale, and then we're gonna discard the leaves. After you rinse it and wash it, you're gonna take the leaves off of the stem and then chop it up. So we're just pulling this off because this stem part is rough. You don't wanna eat that. So we're gonna take that apart and we're gonna chop this up. So we have our kale in the bowl. And now we're gonna get all the other ingredients ready. So I wanna show you what I've done here. So we have 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts. I've just taken pine nuts, put them on a baking sheet, put them in the oven just till they're golden brown. Just keep an eye on them so you don't burn them. I have here 1/4 cup of crumbled feta. I have 1/4 cup of thinly sliced red onion. And then we have blood orange. Look at these beautiful blood oranges. They're so pretty, nice and colorful for our salad. So for the blood orange, we're gonna take 4 blood oranges. So we have blood orange here. I have them ready for you guys already, but I wanna show you. After I cut the top and the bottom, I'm just gonna cut around to take this. We wanna cut around before we slice it up. So now we've cleaned that, and I'm gonna cut them in round circles because this is gonna really make our salad beautiful, because I'm gonna plate this on a nice platter. This is really an awesome one when you have guests over to make a nice colorful salad. So I'll have our blood orange here ready. And now I'm gonna discard this, and we're gonna make our dressing. So for our dressing, I'm gonna use a jar. This is great tip for making your dressing ahead of time. When you're prepping all of these things and you're having guests over, make it ahead of time, put it in a jar. It's easy to shake it up and prepare your salad. So we're gonna do here today 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, we're gonna do fresh blood orange juice. So it's about a tablespoon. So I'm gonna squeeze the blood orange into the jar. Now we have honey. We're gonna do a teaspoon of honey. Next, Dijon mustard. We're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And salt and pepper. So we'll do a teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And of course you can adjust that as you like for your taste. You can always add some more to the salad. So we're gonna take this, shake this up. Make sure we get the honey and everything all off the sides. So we've shaken our dressing, and now to prepare your salad, we're gonna take our 4 cups of chopped kale. I'm gonna add this to this bowl here. So kale really is a hearty, leafy green, but you really need to get the dressing into it so it can really soak up a little bit and soften up. So we're gonna put a little bit of our dressing. I'm gonna add the red onion to this, and then I'm gonna add about 1/2 of this dressing to our kale. We'll leave the rest for later. And I'm just gonna massage the kale with the dressing and the red onion because I really wanna I want you guys to really taste the blood orange, and I wanna make sure that the kale is nice and soft for you to eat. So look at this, beautiful. So now it is really well dressed, which I hate when a salad is not well dressed, so this is perfect. So I'm gonna plate this on a nice big platter because it's just so beautiful. So I'm gonna put this out here on the platter. You can use a bowl, of course. We're all about the presentations. We got to put that all out there. Next, we're going to add all our other ingredients. So we have our pine nuts. Just going to put that right down the center. Our feta. I'll crumble this up. And then, of course, our blood oranges. Place these all around. Look how beautiful. And of course, we'll top that all off with the rest of our dressing. Look how gorgeous. And this salad is ready. I hope you guys tried this beautiful, healthy salad. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckitz.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.